Every single day I wake up, hours and hours wasted on the phone. Here's what I do to change that. First is enable screen time, both on your Android and iPhone. You can enable screen time and set a limit for each and every app. On iPhone, it's simpler, and on Android, it's a bit harder. And limiting the certain app won't actually keep you away from the whole app, but it'll help the most. This will possibly decrease the usage of your phone, and maybe you'll start reading books, but not really, okay? Do the essentials, okay? If you feel bored, do some reading or maybe some exercise if you would like. Don't watch your phone the whole time. So, an average person takes his phone for 4 hours, but now it's over 9 hours. You see the difference? Short form content has been eating us really. Maybe turn off your phone next time, and just maybe you might feel a difference in your life.